In this video, we're going to explain the different types of Healy programs and how they are applied, as well as the different modes of operation used in an individualized microcurrent frequency program. Let us start with the different types of Healy programs. On the one hand, there are the classic microcurrent programs, which usually contain only one or a few frequencies, such as Program 3. These programs are usually applied locally with adhesive electrodes and serve only one specific purpose. Then there is a variety of different individualized microcurrent frequency programs for all kinds of different topics. These programs are applied through electrodes on the wrists so that the frequencies modulated on the microcurrent can pass through the entire upper body and reach every part of the body. This is why these programs are also called systemic programs, as they address the entire system through a variety of different frequencies. The IMF programs use the unique information field technology to analyze those frequencies that, according to the experience of our professional users, have the highest resonance with the user at any particular moment and apply them immediately through the electrodes. How are Healy IMF programs structured? There are more than 300 different Healy IMF programs. They all can include the three different modes: real-time, resonance, and selection. The number and the order of these three modes are based on the application experience of Portuguese researcher Nuno Nina. They are individually selected and customized by the experts who have created the different Healy IMF program groups based on their years of practical experience. How is the analysis of frequencies carried out? In all of these three modes, be it real-time, resonance, or selection, Healy's quantum sensor, a physical noise source, is used in conjunction with special algorithms to analyze the resonance frequencies of the Healy user in real time during the application. How does real-time mode work? In real-time mode, a new frequency is analyzed in real time in the information field every 10 seconds and then applied. Two frequency bands are available in this mode: 0.1 Hz to 1000 Hz and 15 kHz to 1 MHz. The lower frequency band is normally used at the beginning of an IMF program, the higher one at the end. Since the Healy device works with a resolution of 0.1 Hz, your frequency is analyzed from over 9 million different values. Please note, all Healy programs start with an intensity of 15% and can only be increased in steps of 5%. These values have been chosen deliberately for safety reasons. How does resonance mode work? In resonance mode, three different frequencies are analyzed, either from the frequency band of 0.1 Hz to 1000 Hz or 15 kHz to 1 MHz. The two frequency ranges are used for different purposes. After analyzing the three frequencies, each of the frequencies is applied for 10 seconds. Then the progress is being analyzed, meaning how long you're in resonance with the frequency. This progress ranges from -100% to +95%. When 95% is reached, the frequency is no longer applied. In the IMF programs, the duration of the resonance mode is varying. Either none of the frequencies reach 95% and all are applied until the start of the next mode, or one or two frequencies reach 95% and the remaining frequencies are applied until the next mode, or all frequencies reach 95% and the resonance mode is applied for a shorter time than originally defined in the respective IMF program so that the total duration of the program is reduced accordingly and ends before its maximum duration. The current progress value is always displayed on the Healy app application screen next to the applied frequency. Please note, frequencies above 1000 Hz can usually not be sensed by humans. How does selection mode work? In selection mode, a professional time waiver frequency user has selected specific frequencies for a given topic from the 144,000 gold frequencies defined by Nuno Nina or by some other experts. This is the main reason why there are so many different IMF programs. In selection mode, a collection of carefully chosen frequencies based on or experts' many years of practical experience determines the theme of the program, e.g., harmonizing the bioenergetic field of a tendon. When using selection mode, 3 of these specially selected frequencies are analyzed and applied with progress analyses from negative 100% to positive 95% using the same logic as in resonance mode. Here is a brief summary of the 3 different Healy IMF program modes. Real-time mode. The quantum sensor analyzes in real time a frequency that is resonating with the user at this moment, and the frequency is immediately applied. Resonance mode. 3 different frequencies and their progress are analyzed every 10 seconds to ensure that a given frequency is still resonating with the user. Selection mode. 3 frequencies are analyzed from the specially chosen pool of frequencies selected by professional time waiver frequency experts based on their years of practical experience for a specific topic, and the progress for each frequency is analyzed every 10 seconds until it reaches 95%.